Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you record your sound and increase the volume as you get in your mobile or laptop. You can see the sound volume is very low, but in this software it's very quite simple to use and increase your volume. So let's get started. So for that we are using this Audacity application software. So after opening this, you can record directly from here, or you can just import or open from another which you have recorded, or you can directly import it here. So I'm recording here, so you can see here I'm talking and it's recording. So I'm stopping now here. So I'll play this once. So you can see here the sound is little bit low. So if I want to increase my sound from this, then we will just simply select a Control A, and it will select all the part of the sound, and we will go on effect, and we will just click here amplify, and we will click, and we can check here by clicking preview. So I will click here. So you can see the changes. The volume is increased, and you can see the changes here. So I'll play once more. So in this way you can increase your volume. So I hope this video helps you. So thank you for watching this video. Please share, subscribe this video. Thank you so much.